Hi, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share homemade Chinese recipes every week. In this episode, I'm sharing a recipe for Chinese eggplant with garlic sauce. In the recipe, I added my own twist of using the air fryer. The final taste is quite satisfying, with the benefit of using less oil thanks to the air frying technique, plus my unique garlic sauce that I dare to say it is better than restaurant carryout. For the ingredients, I used 4 medium-sized Chinese eggplants. Removed the hard stems, cut them into half to fit into my air fryer, and split in the middle. Scratch a few times inside the eggplants for easier seasoning. Drip and rub some oil on both sides. An oil spray bottle may be better, but our hands work just fine. Spray some salt. Air fry under 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Depending on the size of the eggplant, you may need more or less time. My suggestion is to air fry for a short period of time first and add more time to it if necessary. In this way, we'll be able to avoid burning the eggplants and achieve the perfectly browned version. Arrange them however you want to. Set aside. Mince enough garlic. I use the whole bulb. Then some scallion and red chili pepper. I always say garlics are made for eggplant. Separate the ingredients into 2 parts. One is about 2/3 of the mixture. The other, do the math, 1/3 of it, as we will use them at different phases of the recipe. For the liquid ingredients, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of 5 spices, 1 tablespoon of red wine, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper paste, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, about a 1/4 cup of water. Mix well. Let's heat up the pan. On high heat, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, Stir fry the 2/3 parts of the garlic, scallion, and red chili pepper mixture. Until the garlic turns yellowish, add a teaspoon of dark rice vinegar to balance the spiciness. Stir fry a few times, add in the liquid ingredients, bring to a boil. Add liquid starch, which is 2 tablespoons of water plus 1 teaspoon of starch. Wait until the sauce gets dense and sticky. Turn off the heat. Drip some sesame oil. Now pour the sauce on the perfectly arranged air-fried eggplants. Scatter the leftover of the scallion, garlic, and red chili pepper mixture. And some roasted sesame seeds. Enjoy. If you're still not convinced by the video that the dish is better than the carryout, I'd have to ask you to try and taste. Yes, I'm that confident. Please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support, and see you around.